Get up! It's time for Mr. Pat! It's time to learn with Mr. Pat. He's gonna break down all the facts, like who and where and why it's that. So tell us how it works. What's that, Mr. Pat? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, hey there, family. 5, 6, 7. Wow! Looks like we have 7 whole continents. Did you know a continent is defined as a large mass of land identified by its geographical region? That's just a fancy way to say they're identified by where they're located in the world. The world is separated into 4 hemispheres. The northern and southern hemisphere are divided by this imaginary line called the equator, while the eastern and western hemisphere are separated by this imaginary line called the prime meridian. Each of these 7 continents are found in 2 or 3 of these hemispheres, and each of them have some cool things to show us. Hey, we should take a look. Asia is the world's largest continent, and while it does have some islands hanging out just under the equator in the southern hemisphere, it is mostly located in the northern and eastern hemisphere. Asia is actually so large that you can find all types of climates, from sweltering hot to icy cold areas, or super wet to dry dusty places. Asia is home to Mount Everest, which holds the record for the world's highest point on land at a whopping 29,029 feet above sea level. But Asia didn't stop there. It wanted the record for the lowest point on land also. The Dead Sea, which is actually a lake, is the lowest point on land at around 1,350 feet below sea level. Now that's what I'm talking about. The second largest continent, Africa. This is where our human ancestry began over 3 million years ago. Such a long time ago. Speaking of long, the world's longest river is found right here in Africa. That's right, the Nile River flows through 11 countries and stretches over 4,000 miles long. Now that's a long way to swim. Africa is also home to the Sahara Desert, the world's largest hot desert. That looks like North America, the third largest continent. Even though North America comes in at number 3, it still has all the major biomes the world has to offer. That means we can find aquatic, desert, forest, grassland, and tundra habitats all over this continent. On top of that, all 23 countries found in North America connect to an ocean. I love the beach too, North America. Number 4 on our list is South America. Here we'll find the largest rainforest in the world, the Amazon rainforest. Remember, family, while it's great to look at, this forest plays a major role in maintaining our climate as well. And since we visited the world's highest mountain, why not check out its longest? The Andes mountain range on the western side of South America is around 5,500 miles long and goes through 7 countries. Woo-wee! It is cold over here on continent number 5. Antarctica is the coldest continent on Earth, where temperatures can reach below minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Just for reference, water freezes into ice at only 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Antarctica is also the only continent without a permanent human population. Instead, researchers inhabit research stations throughout the year to ensure we're able to keep this frosty wonderland. And do you remember when I said Africa had the world's largest hot desert? That's because Antarctica holds the record for the world's largest desert. This one sure doesn't want the heat. I do though. Let's go. We're almost there, family. Europe is number 6 on our continent list and is home to the world's smallest 2 countries, Vatican City and Monaco. We made it, family! Last but certainly not least, the only continent that is also a country, Australia. Australia is home to the only 2 egg-laying mammals in the world, the platypus and the echidna. It also has a Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef in the world. Hey, does anyone see a clownfish down there? Looks like we've come to the end of our journey. Time to go back to class. Oh man, these continents sure are cool. Let's say them one more time in order from biggest to smallest. We have Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Yup, that's all 7. If you decide to become a geologist, you'll be able to continue learning about these spectacular land masses, and you may even discover some new things about them to teach the world. Well, family, that's all for today. Thanks for flying around the world with me. Until next time, peace.